Happy Thursday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. On Monday, we talked about the healthy eating workshop, and something that I do personally is looking out just for the protein, right? I make sure I get my 190 grams of protein in, and then I worry about everything else. And I just had a question in the office this week is about, what about the carbs and fats? Well, how much do you do of those? What kind? I've heard this, I've heard that. And I told him, I'm like, you worry about the protein, and whatever else you're hungry for, eat. Because I guarantee you eat the amount of protein that you're supposed to have on a regular basis to meet whatever goal that you want to meet or achieve, that week, that month, that year, whatever it is. You eat that amount of protein, which is going to be a lot more than you're expecting. You're not going to have enough room or an appetite to eat all the other stuff. That's the problem, is that we fill our plates up with the carbs and fats and we have a little bit of protein, right? And I get not everybody's a meat eater, and that's fine. You can get your protein in a lot of other ways, right? So that's where you have to sort of navigate and do your own research. And the biggest thing that I like to go for is when I get the internet, if I'm looking for something, I like to Google image something, right? So because they give you all these beautiful charts and you can sort of see real quick rather than going through articles and reading on blogs and stuff. You just look at these charts on these images and you start to see the same things and the same type of things because they're all doing their stuff from the same research. So let them do the hard work for you, and you just pick apart what you want. So when it comes to carbs and fats, whatever you want. I mean, to be honest, I know, I talk about what you put in your body is healing and recovering you. But again, you worry about the protein, which helps me out personally. That's one thing that I find. The more protein and the bigger I stick to that goal, the better I feel. My energy's great, my digestion's great, my sleeping's great. And then the carbs and fats, I don't stray away. I don't stick to just all these healthy, complex carbohydrates. I have noodles, I have pasta, I have pizza too. I'm not shy on the other stuff. It's just I don't feel like I have to gorge myself on that because I have all this protein. So hopefully that helps you guys. Just like I said, just stick with one thing. Shoot for that goal. Just like we talk with water. Focus on the amount, half your body weight in water, and hit that, and everything else will do better for you. Stick to that protein goal. Everything else will do better for you. And then you can have whatever you want. You can have that cookie. You can have that dessert because you're really focusing on keeping that protein goal at a minimum. We are going to get enough carbs to fuel your body. We know that. There's so much around it. But you stick to protein, you shouldn't have a problem meeting your health goals. Have a great Thursday, everybody.